Well, I'm just gonna quickly share you guys a free tips. Hope you find it useful. So basically, what this automation is in Make.com here, I have contents planned for the next 3 months for my LinkedIn. Obviously, I don't just wanna be that guy who's just gonna copy and paste every content every single morning, or I'll even forget that I have content scheduled. But to make life easy for myself, I automate it using Make.com. So we have Notion search object as a trigger. What this does basically is gonna search my database on LinkedIn here to see which content is due to post. So whenever I change the date from, for example, if this would date was 9th April, but I wanna post it like tomorrow, I just need to change that date to this and then change the already status to schedule. So whenever a post is set to schedule here, this automation will be triggered. Obviously, I'm gonna set it to run silent time every morning. So to set that Notion up, you just basically need to connect to your Notion account. There's few steps that you wanna go through, but if you want this template, I can share to you. But if you want to see that fully built of this, you can go subscribe to YouTube. I'll make one soon. So we choose the database source item and here, and then we're gonna need to choose the database source ID. So once you choose this here, after connecting to your account, it's gonna give you different options here. So you're gonna make sure you choose the source item here when you select search object, and then obviously the database source ID will come up as well. And then the filter is very important because we want to make sure that we have the publish date here, which is publish date. Whenever we change the date to certain date, it's gonna be allowing that to be triggered through here. So and the format that we use is here. So of course we have the year, month, and a date. That's how Notion works. That's how they format the date here. And obviously we have the status. So whenever status is equals to schedule, the automation needs to run. And obviously LinkedIn, when you search LinkedIn or Make.com, make sure you choose create a user post, and then that is technically just gonna allow you to run the text here. So we wanna make sure the content here is from the property. So we have the content on here. So if you go to content pillar, post body, text, content here. So this is the message that we want to post on LinkedIn. So this exactly what you want to map on here. And then obviously after that, we want the system to then go back into the Notion and update the status from scheduled to posted, so we know what has been posted without manually changing that. And then after that is done, we want to make sure we get a Slack notification to say this content has been posted, so we can go on to our LinkedIn and check what content was. So for that, I think I have two scheduled on the queue. So let me run the automation and see how that works. Run post. Okay, so the update. Okay guys, so the error that we had here was a simple mistake. So basically what happened is saying source ID, but it's actually the entire page ID. So we run that successfully, it's working. So I'm just gonna run that again and see how the other one will run. So this is scheduled for a minute. So we're just gonna change the date to here and then run the automation again and see update Slack message sent. So if I go into my Slack channel now, Slack here, Make.com, bam. So we receive the messages there. And if we go back to here, it's been updated. So now we have peace of mind. Yeah, so the error message, whenever you have error messages, you can either choose Make.com AI agent, wherever the error message is. So you can go here and talk to this, so this can help you fix the error messages, or you can screenshot it, go to Gemini or ChatGPT, and that will help you fix it. But this is it, man. Like, search, get the LinkedIn post here, post it on LinkedIn, update the status in here, and then we get a Slack message which one was sent. So work it. So with that being said, if you want to copy and paste this exact automation, or if you want to build an automation that can actually post on your LinkedIn on your behalf, comment LinkedIn wherever or post, so we can have a chance, see how we can copy and paste this exact system for you, or show you exactly how you can build your own tools.